Hello, welcome back to the ResslerMania channel. Now today I'm going to do something that's quite different. I don't normally do stuff like this, but I think it has to be addressed. YouTube has changed its rules so that a small YouTuber like myself, we are going to be demonetized. Now most of us, and me included, we're not really in this for the money, but eventually we would like to get paid, year, 2, 3 years down the road, to start seeing something coming back for the hours and the time that we put into these productions. What YouTube has done is said, okay, all of you who are monetized and are in the monetization agreement, we are going to cancel that agreement, because only those YouTube channels that are big, like 1,000 subscribers or more, those are the only ones that they are going to monetize. So everyone else who has under 1,000 subscribers will not get any money at all for the content they put on YouTube. So you are going to hear a lot of these smaller YouTubers ask for your subscription. So it doesn't cost anything. You just hit the subscribe button below this video, and if you watch other YouTubers and you like, maybe even just a couple of their presentations, please subscribe to them. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help those small subscribers. So for myself and for all other small subscribers, again, please, we do ask that you, if you like our content, to please subscribe. So I'm going to put a subscription button right here. So if you can go ahead and push that, I'd appreciate it. And again, don't forget to go to other channels and subscribe to them as well. So I thank you for listening to my rant. I thank you for understanding. And as always, have a great day.